Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can transfer photos from one account to another on Google Drive. So let's get right into it. Now, you can't really transfer directly per se. You can do it in two different ways. Of course, you can take the files, download them, and then send it to somebody else who will download them as well, and then they can upload those files themselves, or you can send them the link to your drive and then they can download and upload it themselves to their own drive. However, that is pretty much not what you want to do. What you can also do is you can share the access by clicking on the file that you want, click manage access, and add them through the menu at the top over here. You can do the same with entire folders such as this, and then they will be able to access it. However, make sure to set the general access as unrestricted if you just want to send a link, but if you don't, you can add them through here, and that's pretty much perfectly fine. That's another way. However, you can also do a third way, and that is to create a shared folder with somebody else, which is pretty much just made by granting them managed access. And I'm pretty sure they will have the same permissions as you if you set it for them to have them, such as editor permissions, and then they will pretty much have those videos or photos on their account as well. And it's pretty much as easy as that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.